Today we're replacing the rear brakes on this Toyota CHR. Before lifting the car, we need to put the electronic parking brake into service mode. With the ignition on and engine off, pull the EPB switch up 3 times, push it down 3 times. Then immediately push it down once more and hold for about 5 seconds until you hear the calipers retract. Or the brake light flashes slowly. Next, we lift the vehicle and take the back wheels off. For this job, we're going to need a 14mm and a 17mm to remove the brakes. With a 14mm, remove the slide pin bolts. If the pin spins like this one, use a 17mm wrench to hold it while removing the 14mm bolt. Set the caliper safely out of the way, making sure not to strain the brake line. Next, with a 17mm, break the bracket bolts loose and remove the bracket. Because the electric parking brake is in service mode. You can use a standard caliper piston compressor to push the piston straight back in, no special twist tool needed. With the rotor removed, grab a wire brush to clean off the rust buildup on the hub. Now onto the brake lathe to cut the rotors for a smooth finish. While the rotors are being resurfaced, let's prep the bracket. Remove the old hardware clips and clean underneath them. Before snapping in the new hardware, apply a thin layer of brake grease under the clips to prevent rust buildup. After that, let's check on the rotors. With some sandpaper, give them a nice non-directional finish, then install the freshly cut rotor back onto the hub. Reinstall the brake bracket and torque the 17mm bolts to 79 foot-pounds. Next, apply grease to the new pad shims, install them onto the pads, and slide the new pads into the bracket hardware. Reinstall the caliper. Add a little Loctite to the 14mm bolt threads. Thread them in and torque them down to 25 foot-pounds. Repeat the exact same process for the passenger side. Before your test drive, you must take it out of service mode. With the ignition on, push the switch down 3 times, pull it up 3 times, then release and pull up once more. Holding it until the parking brake light on the dash stays solid. Pump the brake pedal a few times to seat the pads, take it for a spin, and if this helps you save money, don't forget to like and subscribe. I'll see you in the next one.